What's up? I'm Rob Marinick from the Boardr, back with another skate nerdy update on this crazy trick-for-trick scoring system we're developing over here. I'm going to take it and run it through the Berrics run and gun contest. We're going to set up the whole course, get all the skaters put in there and log each one of their runs and see how scoring it trick for trick is going to change or alter the results. Let's get right into it.
So I'll keep it real short with the actual use of the system and logging here on this video. If you want the full details on how that works, there's another video that breaks all that down. Basically, in a nutshell, for each event, we set up the course and assign percentage values to each of the obstacles on the course. So a switch flip, on flat is going to be worth a different value than a switch flip down the bump to sidewalk gap. So for the Berrics, we went ahead and set up the entire street course there. We got values for everything from the brick quarter pipe to the out ledge to the bump to sidewalk gap. So those values are all set. And then, of course, we set up all the skaters in the event. I'm about to get started on logging Paul Rodriguez here. There's only one run here in run and gun. And so I have his video queued up over here on the right. And we're just going to start logging his tricks. His first trick is a switch 360 flip down the big four. Or the big three block. Looks like he's got a switch front blunt on the big hubba, large hubba. And from here, basically, I'm just going through and logging every trick. This is how the system works, as you can see in the other video that goes into full detail on this. Every trick is worth the same amount of points, and with the difference being, of course, each unique street course in each event. So right here you can see P-Rod's got his points and tricks logged for the things he's doing here. Down here you get a little status on how that is calculated. So from here out pops our trick detail report. In practice or in theory, if this system is really being used, the judges and contest organizers have instant access to all this information as the skater is skating and the contest unfolds, and you get your value from the computer. Like the computer here gave Luan a 288.27 for 14 tricks made up of all these things right here. Felipe is currently sitting in second with a 204. Did all these tricks right here, 8 of them. Everyone's makes are at 100% on this particular contest because you get the whole day to film your best run and a full make. So from here, I'm going to finish logging P-Rod's run. We'll come back to the trick report here and see how our results in this trick-for-trick scoring system differed pretty wildly from internet voting. Here we've got crooked grind, nollie heel flip out. Backside crooked grind, heel flip out on the big rail. That one was scored a little low. That's just an example of some of the weaknesses that I'm finding in the system here. I want to keep this method of logging the tricks as simple as possible. It's already a little complicated with 4 segments plus the obstacle to log on each trick. I'm also balancing this out with the quickness and speed of the system. I want to be able to have the trick logger log this as close to real time as possible for things like displaying the data on a TV monitor or to the audience as the contest unfolds, and literally as your run is ending, your score is already on the screen. So that's it for P-Rod's run. Our system here has him at 176.7 with 6 tricks done. When I come over here and look at the tricks report, we still got Luan in first by far with 288. If you checked out his run, he did a ton of tricks, super technical stuff, a lot of things on like flat ground and stuff. But he basically, just stacked the tricks, which of course stacks your points. We got Felipe coming in second, Tiago coming in third, Jocelyn in fourth, Carlos in fifth. P-Rod is all the way down in sixth. Internet voting had him in first. Carlos is in seventh, and then down towards the bottom, Cromer, Appleyard, and then Alec. You can see all these details in the article link in the description here.
So there you have it. That's how the trick for trick system came up with the results. Compared to internet voting, pretty interesting. I learned a lot on this round again. I learned something new every time I apply it to a contest, and I'm going back to the drawing board to enhance and change a few things. Thanks for watching and following along with the progress here.